Cortez is disturbing the Orbeez. But meanwhile, let me show you this bird feeder that Mom insisted that we get. I get it, it's cute. You're supposed to be able to watch the birds eat. But so far, no birds have visited this fine dining establishment. We thought it would work because we have a bird's nest up there. But all they did was lay the eggs, the babies hatched, and they made a big mess. And they probably fried out in this hot sun. I leave them some water. Without the ice, it feels like a birdie hot tub. It's cute. Nobody has come by. Let me take out this, I think it's Taco Bell steak quesadilla. Cortez thought they would want that. No visitors yet. We got this off Amazon. Less than $20. I think the bird feed was less than $10. Maybe when it cools down, they will come back.